Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to create task file in Serenity BDD. So this is Serenity screenplay pattern. Based on the screenplay pattern only, we are posting one by one video. So already we done how to create actor centric test, right? Then I posted how to create instrumented class, which is common method. Okay, so here this is my Serenity BDD playlist video. Okay, so now I'm going to be tell you how to create task. Okay, because if you want to create task, before you should done common method, which is common utilities. Then only using that common method only we can able to perform task. Okay, so this is the structure following in Serenity BDD. Okay, so already you know aware of it, what is actor, how we can create that one. Okay, now I'm going to be tell you task. Task is meaning the same meaning as steps. Okay, in Cucumber we are called as steps, in Serenity BDD we are called as task. Okay, task means, take us one small example, login steps. For login, what are the steps required? Enter username, enter password, then you have to click on login button. So okay, this is the three steps which is task we have to perform in Serenity BDD, right? So once you have to done the three tasks, then only you can enter into the home page, right? So here how many tasks is available? Enter the username, enter the password, click on login button. This is the three tasks we have to perform in task. Okay, so now I'm just open my Eclipse. So already I done common method. Okay, so here I'm using Amazon.in site. Okay, so I created one common XPath for clicking header option. Now I'm going to be create task. Okay, already created package which is com.web.task. You have to right click on this package, create class. So what is the class? Click on returns, click on returns link. Okay, option. Okay, so this is the class name I created. Okay, so what we did in common method, so same we are implement the task. We have to do the same thing here also, implements task. So while you are importing the package, you should confirm which package you are imported. Okay, so there is, we can see three different package. One is Eclipse Jetty and Selenium HQ. Here you have to choose Serenity BDD dot screenplay. Okay, so after implement the task, you are getting some warning error. You have to implement the method. Okay, add unimplemented methods. Okay, so now what I have to do, I just to create the constructor, public, click on returns option, so here add return type. Okay, so this is the some boolean constructor we have to created inside task one. Okay, which we are done in common methods. Okay, so the same way we have to follow here. This on right, you have to give whatever name. Okay, click on returns, so whatever your wish name. Okay, this is the one method which is provided by the task plugin. Okay, the task this task plugin provided this. Click on return method. Okay, now what I have to do, so we have to return that instrument, right? Instrumented. Here you have to see which package we have to import. net.serenitybd core.steps, you have to import this one, put dot, then you have to select instance of class. What is the class name? Click on return option dot class, then put with properties, So here I don't want pass any parameters inside constructor, you just remove it. Okay, now we are returned the constructor class. Okay, so next, so here created that performance method which is performing by the actor. Okay, so now we are going to be implement the task inside this task method which is performance method. Okay, so now we have to pass parameter which is actor one, or I passed the argument as actor. Now you can, sorry, now you can use actor dot. So now we have to use attempts to method. Using that attempts to method only, we are going to be perform all the tasks. So what are the tasks? Before I told you, right? Example, login, which is entering username and password. Now what is the task we are going to be perform in this task file? We are going to be click on returns in amazon.in. I just to tell you in website. Okay, after hitting this amazon.in, how to click this returns link. So this is the steps I have to implement inside task file. Okay, got it? So after hitting this URL, again I move back, I have to click returns. So then I'm going to be use attempts to. Okay, if in case if you are not passing argument, what happened? Throwing the some error, because actor does not give you the Serenity property does not give you the suggestion method. Okay, but if you are passing argument properly, that time only you will get suggestion method. Okay, after put on dot, you will be get list of methods. Here you have to choose attempts to. Okay, here we have to pass task. Okay, this is arguments. So already I created one reusable method for clicking that this returns link. Okay. So what is the method name? Click on header menu. Okay, I just copy here, or else you just type click, then press Ctrl space bar. That time you will be get the suggestion reusable method. Okay, this is the one. You just press enter. That time see that package will be imported successfully, because we have created this click on header menu on the common utilities package, right? So what is this constructor name on, right? This is the method we're going to be return this action, right? You can put dot, then you have to find that on method is does not list out. So what is the error we are not? Because this attempts to performing inside static method. In that case, you should change this constructor as a static one. Okay, so now you can see you will be get this method name on. Okay, so here I'm passing string path. Okay, 1 minute. So here you can just remove the string path, because already I used this string x path storing the string path, right? So mistakenly I do this one. I just remove. Okay, you also remove here. I'm passing only one parameter, not two one, because I'm passing this text only, not x path. So now you will be get two parameter. You have to pass only one parameter. Okay, so what is the text? You just go to this Amazon page, press on F12. So click inspect this element. So here this is the option returns, right? Just copy this text, go to Eclipse, paste here. Okay, now we are done. You don't put a semicolon, you just leave it. If you are entering the two lines, for example, I just that time you will put comma. Okay, don't put semicolon. Okay, so now we are using only one line. Click on header menu. So now we are done this task, right? So now So now you are got point how to be created the task file, right? So in the next video I just post you how to create futures file. Okay, thank you guys.